In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and delete transitions between slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Transitions are a fantastic way to add a touch of professionalism and flair to your presentations. Whether you're aiming to captivate your audience with smooth slide shifts or wish to keep things simple and clean, mastering transitions can make a big difference. To get started, you'll first want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you get into the habit of routinely updating your software, you'll always have access to the latest features and improvements. Once you have PowerPoint open, head to your PowerPoint presentation, the one you'll be working with today. It doesn't matter whether it's a new project or one you've worked on before, the steps we'll go through will apply universally. Now pick a slide where you want to add a transition effect. Click on that specific slide from the slide panel on the left side of your screen. This is key because any transition effects you add will affect how this slide transitions into the next. Next, navigate to the top of the window and find the Transitions tab. Clicking on this will reveal a host of options. Take a moment to explore the variety of transitions available in the drop-down menu. You'll find transitions ranging from simple fades to more dynamic animations. Choose one that suits the tone and style of your presentation. Once selected, PowerPoint will give you a preview of how the transition will look. It's always helpful to review it to make sure it aligns with your presentation goals. In some cases, you might want to remove a transition you've previously set, whether to revert back to a simpler sequence or try out different options. To do this, simply return to the transition drop-down and select None. This will effectively remove any transition from that slide, leaving you with the default immediate shift. Editing transitions can help you fine-tune your presentation flow. Once you have your transition selected, you'll notice options on the right side of the toolbar. Here you can adjust the duration, which controls how quickly or slowly the transition occurs. You'll also find the trigger setting, allowing you to control whether the transition begins on a mouse click or automatically after a certain delay. Practice makes perfect with transitions, giving you the opportunity to see how different variations can transform the mood or focus of your presentation. With these basics under your belt, you're ready to take your PowerPoint skills to the next level. Play around with these features, experiment with what works best, and before long you'll be delivering presentations that are not only informative but visually engaging. Thanks for joining me today on this journey through transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint.